Hello guys. Papasok na si William sa school. Nag-ano siya, kumakanta siya. He's singing. I think he's excited to see his crush. Here we go. Oh my God, it's so cold. William, you need to wear a jacket.
I'm affordable.
He doesn't like to wear a jacket, guys. Is your friends there? Or not yet? Huh? Not yet, Taman. After a long weekend, look at my kuan. Look at when I talk. Ah, William boy, look. Ang ganda na ng mga puno. Yan si William, naglalakad na siya papunta doon sa yung may sasakyan. Diyan yung bus stop nila. Hala, nilalamig ako guys. Nilalamig ako kasi ang lamig talaga. Grabe si William o fighting spirit kasi ayaw niya talaga mag-jacket. Ayan, nakita niya yung kaibigan niya. Yung mga kaibigan niya dito guys, yung mga kasabayan niya sa bus dito, tinutulungan nila si William na like pupunta sa mag breakfast, or if after like if pauwi na, tinutulungan nila si William. Yan siya or yung isang kaibigan ni William. Yan guys, yan yung bus nila. Ang cute ng mga bata eh. Bye, William. Hindi pa ako pupunta sa guys. Anong tawag dyan? Yung isang kaklase ni William, ay yung isang kasabayan ni William, wala. Hindi pa ako pumapasok sa loob pag yung bus hindi pa wala pa nag-andar. So ayan So antayin ko yan siya mag-go ba before ako pupasok sa bahay. Make sure ko talaga si William na nasa bus na and nakalarga na sila. Sabi ni William, Mommy, I know how to walk. I know how to wait for the bus. Sabi niya. Kaya, pinapalakad ko na lang siya sa papunta sa bus stop. So, matulog muna kami ulit. Matutulog ako. Babalik ako sa tulog, guys, kasi si Wesley at saka si Waylon tulog pa din. So, see ya later. Bye-bye. Waylon! Run! Run! Fuck! Dance, be dance! Ew! I hear that! Ew! Nag-exhibition naman si Waylon. Tapos na kaming kumain ng almusal guys. Nakatulog ako ulit. Nakabalik pala ako ng tulog kanina. After ko William, mag-ready at hinatid sa hanggang makalayga ang bus. And so Wesley boy, siya ang owner ng remote dito sa bahay. Wesley na? Unsa na mong Wes, elbow Wes? Nayayay si kuya. Yeah, like you. Ang kawilon jud kay big kaayo. Ay, nag-slide siya? Nagbago yun si Waylon ay.
Mommy, I'm going on a big slide, and my damn girl, mommy,
Okay, I'm listening.
and then see the white backward,
Mhm.
and then pulled me off,
Ah.
and I got bobo.
It's okay. You're brave man, okay? Mawala raman imong bubo. Mura siya napaso guys kay init ba ang slide sa
I got paso. Mimi.
Kanta Waylon Pin. Na-slide si kuya like that. Ikaw, what happened to your elbow? What happened to your elbow? Ikaw, imuha. Naansa, nga naman na. What happened? What happened? Ha? Niran ka? Like that? Like that, di ay? How the baby? I think pwede ka mag-artista, Waylon. Oh. Dance, be. Nana. Run ka? Oh. Slide si kuya? Sama ni si kuya. Oy, slide man. Well.
Mimi!
What? Ay, isuga ni mo, oy. Baby, wait sa. Saya, be, saya. Hi guys. So, punta kami sa Goodwill ngayon. Wesley, come here. Hi, Waylon. Nasa mo shoes? Wesley, get sa Waylon shoes, please.
Because
Nakikita ko yung mga tao dito ba? Nagja-jacket sila. Mag-jacket na rin ako eh. Got that guys. I got that guitar for $5. $5. That's cool. Yeah, I gave na niya Wesley because that's Waylon's toy. Please.
mommy.
Please.
Because
Share sa with Waylon. Share. Ano, puti naman eh.
Sir, Nana.
Ang boring kasi sa bahay. Uy.
Nana. Nana.
Eh, sabi ko nung pick up ko muna yung guitar tapos maglakad-lakad muna kami. Mamaya magpa-park kami.
Okay, kuhin na.
Hatag ba kay Loy mong manghod? Sasamahan nyo na lang kami guys. Ihatag. Nara.
What?
Guys, kakatapos lang namin maglalis. Tingnan nyo nga yung dalawa. Okay si Waylon, si Wesley na naman yung hindi. Okay na naman si Wesley, si Waylon na naman yung hindi. Sit properly. Tapos na naman nila magsumbagay. Alam nyo guys, ang ganda ng Goodwill dito guys. Ang laki-laki. Look. Mas magaganda yung mga tinda nila. Ang cute man ito. Tag 199. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wala ba ako anak babae, hindi ako maka-relate nito. But, ang gaganda talaga. Waylon, sit down. You wanna sit here? Huh? Then behave. Ang cute. Sit properly, boy. Sit properly, come on. My shirt pants, huh? Mag-ikot-ikot tayo, guys. For sure, maganda. Maraming mapipilian dito. Sit down, Waylon. Say excuse to kuya. Wesley, you have lots of space, man, Wesley. Ang cute-cute ng mga jumper at saka mga dress, oh. Mga dress pa dito ng mga pambata, eh. Ang sa Wesley? Ang dami talagang magaganda guys. Hindi lang ako makapili ng maayos kasi may mga bata. Sit down.
Move.
Here. Ikaw pod move pod. Move. Here, sit down Waylon. Sit down like that. Like that.
Waylon, move.
Ana lang, ana lang.
Waylon, you shoot.
It's fine. That's okay, Wesley. Ikaw no, mangita should ka problema nga. Dili angay problemahon. So, isa lang yung nadala na pili namin guys. Ito lang. But ang ganda nito. Look, it's all new. Bagong-bago pa talaga. Ngunit din na. Itong dalawang to ay sig away. Lala. 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 Let's go. Oh, that's Kuya William's bike. Say hi, William. Huh? Yes. Do you like it, Waylon? Do you like your guitar? Alright. He's good at guitaring. Nga naman ka? Hello. Hello. Love you, Wesley. Ayaw lagi kay manglakaw na ta. Just don't touch. Alam niyo guys, mahilig talaga siya sa guitar. Mahilig din to sa drum. No, Waylon. Your guitar? Yes? Nandito na kami sa bahay guys. Napagalitan ko talaga si Wesley ay napagsabihan ko. Kasi hindi naman talaga tama yung ginawa niya. Huh? What's that? You want banana? You want banana? Banana? Here, banana boy. No. So, ayun. Nasa apuan lang siya. Tingnan natin ha. Saan mong iingon ni Mami? Ha? Very good yan. Mas ugo na gid ni si Waylon. Si Wesley din, mabait din naman yan si Wesley. Minsan lang talaga nagtatantrums. Palagi na lang napagsasabihan. So magkain kami ng ice cream.
Mommy, I want pink ice cream.
Ha? Si pink. Why my pink ice cream?
Why?
Si pink. Big.
No, I want the thin. We actually want.
Wow!
How about me? That's mine.
Wow!
That is mine. Big one.
Hold on.
Put the big one in.
Wala. Pagani, you're gonna have to wait.
No, not like that. Oh, yes.
No. How about you, Waylon? You want? Yes, please. Punta kami doon sa labas.
Grab a little bit.
Oh! Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Halag mga kiatan ay talangga ayo. O ganyan talaga tayo no, pag nanay no. Walang maglalab ng mga anak. Higit sa buhay kundi nanay lang talaga. Kahit ano pang yung mangyari, nanay lang talaga. I'm so in love with my kids, guys. Like, super talaga. I don't know what to do. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa kanila. Love na love ko talaga yan sila. Kahit ano mang mangyari, walang makakaano talaga sa pag-love ko sa mga anak ko. Let's go! Let's pick up William. Wait lang ka. We got ice cream, guys. Look.
Look, I have
How about your ice cream, Wes? Hello.
this.
No. Ay. Here na lang. Dirty naman na.
Why are they inside?
Aww. Look what Wesley, guys, is sharing. Thank you, eh. Di mabait naman to si Wesley boy. No. I don't touch. Come here, sit down. Asa mo sit down? Here. You know where?
The white one. I need to see him.
Sit down there.
Mommy.
Take that one, sit down. Here. Dire ba? Ano na makadiha? Tugnaw, dili.
No.
Tugnaw?
Let's go again. Let's go, mommy. Let's go.
Ang lamig, guys. Thank you, be. Lami. No, lami na. Binibigyan niya ako ng kusa kahit hindi ako naghingi. Ikaw, Waylon? Ako, Waylon, be.
Oh. Daddy.
Ako na lang lami. Magbigay ba siya? Gaya ko na. Waylon, gaya ko, Waylon. Thank you, Waylon.
Daddy.
Lami. Look at your face. Did you close the door? Huh?
Yes.
Are you sure? I will check. Waylon, kami.
Apple.
Bye-bye. Waylon, wait! This presentation is brought to you by... No, not like that. Butang ni, na.
That.
Ay, si Waylon, ha? Good job! Good job, boss! Ikaw, Waylon? Naunsa ka, Waylon? Yung mong face, oh! Naunsa mo na mo? Naunsa mo na? Kuya William! Where's Kuya William? Oh, wait, kay Kuya, ha?
Why see him face? Your face.
Your face is so great. Waylon! Ala, sige, random. Mabubugid ka ron.
Let him go. Mommy, remember, I'm sleeping in a bed, and DMS, Attenborough,
You check William?
yes, and what?
You see William
No.
riding a bus?
Hey.
No. Dili lagi, William. Humot.
Oh.
Lese Waylon na, Waylon.
Humot.
Humota. Ay!
Humot. Oy.
Love you guys.
Love you,
Mami.
Mommy.
Waylon, simuta si Waylon.
Mama didn't sing.
Huh?
Again.
Simuta daw yung ilo. Muta ay! Muta ay! Ay, mga lingaw ay. Dugay sa bus, oy. Dugay ang bus.
And you turn my Daddy was
Na si Waylon kay baby pa.
Mimi.
Okay. Okay, ali dire. Show them. Muramag na sa banda, Waylon. Ali, Waylon, dire, Waylon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I learn the ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Okay, again. Head, shoulders, knees, and... Oh, naning bus. Knees and toes. Bus. Sit down. Wait. No. You gotta wait.
And then go.
William is here. It's right there.
No worries.
He's gonna run. Did you see him? He's gonna run.
Where is he?
Right there.
Where?
Say hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya.
Lani, where is he?
You wanna ride bus next year?
No.
No, why?
I don't know
Pwede
how.
naman yung bus dyan, guys.
And I don't know how.
Pag early kasi hindi nag-stop yung bus dyan. Pero pag sinasabihan ko si William na dyan na lang siya mag-stop.
Liam is
Gusto
white.
niya kasi friend niya yung
Liam
doon.
is white. Let me see where.
Na hi, Kuya!
Let me see white.
Tara. Hi! Wait for Kuya, okay?
Liam, hi, Liam.
Wesley, wait! Okay, let's go. Ambi, debe. Ambi. Okay, hold. William, hi, kuno William. Mingon mo brother. Hi. I know, that's autograph book. William, congratulations, William Philip Risotto. You had barking attendance in October, so you can wear whatever you want on Friday. And you will wear this wristband because you don't have absent. And no tardy, no early dismissal. Lipay kay William, are you happy? Yeah, that's why you don't absent, okay? And always excited to go to school. Sit properly, boy.
Always excited to go.
I know, right? And then that's why you have congratulations, William. You have wristband, oh. Every time wala silang absent sa isang buwan, guys, may may award, or they can dress down. They can dress up what they want.
And no!
Lipay man si William, boy. No absent, oh. Good job, William. Keep it up, Kuya.
Mommy, tomorrow?
What? Not tomorrow, Friday.
When's Friday?
And then Saturday, may sila, like, you have
When's Friday?
You have celebration of schools, parade, and fair. So, it's free parking, food, fun family activities, and giveaways. Ngayong Saturday. So, mabuti na lang yung, what's that called? Pupunta ko sa workplace ko ba para
Mommy,
may
but
basahin.
when's Friday?
For 2 hours lang. But, maaga kasi yun. So, makaano pa ako ng 1 to 5 p.m.
Mommy, when's Friday?
Friday.
Yeah, when's Friday?
In 3 days.
In 3 days?
Yes. You do that, Waylon?
He throw this one at me, mommy.
Don't do that to Kuya. Be nice, be nice. Be nice. Oh, hug na lang, hug. Hug Kuya, hug Kuya. Hug Kuya, be. Hinay, Waylon. Careful, Waylon. Ay, be nice, ha? Be nice, Waylon. Ayaw pag sunguga, William. What did I tell you to change? I will make your chicken nuggets.
I'm gonna make it.
Magdali na. So, tapos na kaming kumain, guys. And then, nag-ice cream na din kami. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa taas. With William, boy.
Okay.
You okay? Makurat-kuratan. Alalala. William, imong brief, William mo. Ay, ka-Wesley man na. Oy, buta. Wesley! Kahibaw na ka, Wesley, no? About sa bus, about sa
He's gonna.
cake.
But mommy, he's gonna go on blue bus too. But he needs to walk to his bus, mommy. We need to wait for some time. We need to wait.
Oh.
So he needs to walk to me.
Yep.
So or I can just walk to his classroom and then I'll bring him there
Okay.
at the line.
So, are you excited to go to school next year?
Mom, I don't know how to poop in the bath. Auntie. You just want to do that because you don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. Auntie, I don't know how to poop. Auntie doing this. Auntie doing like this one in the bath. I don't want to go in the pool. No, you're gonna go in the bath.
Next year, Wesley, you will know, man.
No, I don't know how to poop there.
Huh?
I don't know how to poop there. Wesley, you just don't. Basically, I hold the Kuya poop, and then I come home. And poop.
Unsa?
I hold my poop at school, and then I come home and poop.
Oh, really? And then if he hold his poop, he's gonna poop in his pants.
He needs to hold his poop. He's probably gonna miss his whole entire class if he doesn't.
Yeah.
So I do not poop at school.
Because you're gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna miss my.
Okay, sorry. Ah, papansin po siya, guys, oh. Ah?
Like a spider in
Ikaw, Wesley, ikaw. Ikaw, og may school ka.
No one.
Magdiaper. Lahat mo kay magdiaper ka may school. Dili bang ka pwede magdiaper?
What's he gonna do at school? Like, what is he gonna do? Like
He's gonna
play
be a
soccer?
kindergarten.
Is he gonna play like soccer?
For sure.
Are you gonna sign him up for soccer?
You guys, both of you. I'm looking somewhere for the soccer. For you guys. No, ayan. Si Wesley mag-ingana ka sa school.
I play soccer.
Natawa talaga kami, guys.
Mommy, we only learn a little bit in kindergarten. We just like write. We just write.
Yeah.
And
then you played soccer.
Yeah.
Radio L, right?
Oh yeah. I remember this. I need to do.
Wesley, niya mo yung...
Mommy, one hand. We can do this.
Good job. Don't do that. You might hurt yourself. I need your baby.
Mommy, I haven't met you out for 2 years.
Yeah. Huh?
For 2 years. So
Yeah. 1 year lang. 1 year. Okay, nasuko si Wesley. Katawan pa ko niya kay nakapoop siya. Wesley, Waylon, sorry Waylon. Pag hindi papansinin, mag-shout man ay. Okay guys, good night everyone. Bihisan ko muna sila and good night. Yung look ko tonight. Naligo ko gikan and hindi pa ako nakapagsuklay.
Mommy clogged the toilet today.
Oh my God, don't tell them. So bye guys. Bye guys and good night. See you in the next vlog and don't forget to subscribe and like and please follow our Facebook page.
Mommy, I don't have a Facebook.